I welcome you all to this presentation of MMM ideology, how it works, the rules, and the benefits. My name is Azubike Victor. By the grace of God, I'm a business psychologist and an online marketer based in Abuja. I'm an active member of MMM Nigeria, and currently I am in MMM Nigeria Guidance School, batch 218, and my mentor is Mentor Tony Fax. He's a great guy, a good teacher. Now, what is MMM? MMM is an acronym for Mavrobi Mundai Movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation agents. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants of MMM transfer money directly to each other willingly and without compulsion. In MMM, there is no central account where all the money are being paid to. Now, let's look at MMM ideology. MMM ideology is centered on creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue, thereby reducing the gap between the rich and the poor in the society, and in the long run, reducing the rate of poverty. So how does MMM work? MMM is the community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. So how does this really go? When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking the Provide Help button in your personal office, your account will be credited with Mavro. Mavro is the internal currency of MMM. Just like Naira is the currency of Nigeria, dollar is the currency of US, that is how Mavro is the currency of MMM. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment you indicated interest or willingness to provide help to somebody, and it will start growing by 30%. People have often asked me, where does this 30% come from? I'd like to say that this 30%, first of all, is not interest rate, but rather it is a reward for offering help. So there is no interest rate in MMM, rather you get rewarded. In MMM, after you have donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of your attributes to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmers can decide to adjust the growth rate of Mavro at any point in time. The amount of Mavro and its growth rate can be decreased, increased, cancelled, or even stopped. So in MMM, if you decide to join us, you stand a lot of chances to gain a lot of benefits. One of the benefits we enjoy in MMM that you can also enjoy is 30% growth rate of whatsoever you donate to somebody who is in need. Let's say you donate 100,000 Naira, after 30 days, so 100,000 Naira would have grown to 130,000 Naira, and you can also withdraw it. Second benefit you can get in MMM is what we call registration bonus. You can get bonus of $20, $50, or $100, depending on how much your first donation is. Another benefit in MMM is referral program, and under the referral program we have the referral bonus and we have the guidance or managers bonus. In MMM, you enjoy 10% referral bonus from all donations of the participants you invited to the community. Let's say you invited 50 people. If these 50 people donate to other persons, you get 10% of whatever the donations are. And inviting people to the community is not a must, but it is an additional way or additional contribution you put into the system. to ensure that its sustainability is sure. Another referral program, which is another benefit under the referral program, is the guider's bonus or manager's bonus. In MMM, managers of the community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donations of every participant in that structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, the manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonus also varies depending on the level you are in the structure. In MMM, we also have rules. Rule number 1, it says, do not have multiple accounts. Rule number 2 says, do not share email or bank details with other members. Rule number 3 says, do not delay in paying for your order. Rule number 4 says, do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Rule number 5 says, do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. Rule number 6 says, do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. Rule number 7 says, do not fail to confirm your payment. Rule number 8 says, do not allow your family member to provide help more than you. If they have more money and they want to provide help, they should do it through your personal office, or rather they should just register under your guidance. Rule number 9 says, always remember to write your own letter of happiness after every time you get help or every time you withdraw. And the maximum days to write letter of happiness after you GS is 3 days. So in conclusion, MMM is simply a community where people who are interested in helping each other come together to help each other. And afterwards, they get rewarded with 30% of whatever help they render and other benefits, as I explained earlier. So for further details on how to get registered, how to get started, feel free to reach me on 090-966-415-06 or add me on Skype. My Skype ID is mywealthmybees. And feel free to also send me emails. My email address is mywealthmybees1@gmail.com. So I want to congratulate you ahead and congratulate you in advance, because I know after watching this video you will decide to join this great community and your life will be better for it. Thank you very much and welcome to MMM community.